guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. We are going to be trying out a new product today that I bought since last year and I haven't got a chance to even show you guys. So this is what we're going to be trying out. This is bedhead TIGI, and this is their deep waver curling iron. So this is a unique deep waver barrel. It heats up to 400 Fahrenheit, multiple heat setting, instant recovery, plate locking switch, and also it has a 3-year warranty on it. You have all the instructions here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Love the color. And let's just see how this one works. I don't know if you have, so it's kind of confusing if you don't read the label or you don't look around it. So right here is the on and off button, and then on the side here is lock and open. So right now it's locked. You just pull this thing up to open it. And it open like this. And to close it, you press down that thing here and it close it. I really thought this was the problem, had to take this off, but thank God I read the label. I would have spoiled it. As you guys know, I have natural hair, so we're gonna try it out with a wig today. And I got this wig from Amazon. This was sent to me, so why not try it out today with this barrel. This is the transparent HD lace front wig, and they sent me a 16-inch. The density is 150 and the length is 16-inch. Really soft. I don't like the smell at all. It kind of smell funny. But this is a 13 by 4, as you guys see. So this is a Brazilian 16-inch 13 by 4 lace front wig, and a human hair natural color. Oh yeah, so this is how it looks. Let me see the parting area, but I just want to show you guys the parting area. Like, it goes all the way back there. That's really nice. So you get a lot of parting space. I don't know what side I want to do yet. Maybe I will do this side. I don't know. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put this to heat so we can see what we working with. Alright guys, so I wanted to test this out before I come on camera and give you guys my thoughts about it. So I didn't put any holding spray on the hair. I wanted to see how it works on its own, and I'm really enjoying this. As you guys could see, it curling really good without the spray. If you guys are new here, I always use the same company spray. This is the Hard Head Extra Strong Whole Hair Spray. and this is from Bedhead as well. If you guys missed the other video, I can't remember which one that I tried out, but I know it's the same brand. Like, I really like this one better because it holds the curls a little bit more tighter. This one is a little different from the other one that I tried. You gotta hold it for the hair to curl. There's a button on the side right here that it says lock and open. I have it on open because, you know, it's easier for me to work with. If you don't want to hold it down, you could just press the lock button and you could just relax your hand. But I just have it like this because it's just a little bit quicker, and the knob is really tight. Let me show you guys. It's right here. So when you press it down, you press lock and it's lock. I'm sure if I put any spray in it, it will hold the hair a little tighter, but girl, I don't have the patience for this today. So I just wanted to see how it works on its own, and I'm liking it. So let me just show you guys about the lock and open again. So it's on open. I'll just press the lock and you could just relax your hand until you're ready to release it, and you're good to go. So you don't have to hold it down like this, you know, because I was doing this for a while and my hands was a little bit tired. Press the open button. You see what I'm saying? It's a little tight. You see, and you let go like this, and you could tell like it's curling really good without the spray, girl. I'm actually liking this. So I'm not gonna lock it anymore. I'm just gonna do it the normal way because it's a little bit more faster for me. The barrel is light, it's not heavy. If you have straight hair, it's gonna work good on your hair, but I have natural hair, so this will never work on my natural hair, girl. I always like to try these type of things on wigs because I know a lot of you guys wear wigs, and I wear a lot of wigs myself, and you could tell. See how it's just working, girl? I like it. Look how beautiful that is. The end part is a little wild, but you get the vibes. So let me just show you guys how it looks straight up from the bag like this. And you guys see the side. Really, really nice, right? Spray it a little bit so it can hold the curls. So I'm just gonna use the spray on it. I'm gonna have the spray listed down below for you guys if you want it. But and this is a really good barrel. I really do like this one. I like the other one that I tried, but I like this one better. I like it because it holds the curls a little bit much better than the other one. Not saying that the other one that I tried is not good, just saying that because I had to use the spray when I was using the other one. It was kind of like time consuming for me, but I like this one better. So let me know what you guys think about this wig and also the barrel that I share with you guys. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about any of this product, and if you tried a barrel before, let me know what you guys think. So to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe before you leave, girl. Help your sister out. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, guys. It helps a lot, okay? It helps. And I also have all my social media platforms down below if you guys want to follow your girl. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.